Hi, I'm DMac with VerifyiQ. VerifyiQ is the premier practice management solution for the modern accounting firm using QuickBooks Online or Xero. Welcome to our setup series. Here we will be discussing your frequently asked questions. In today's video, I would like to show users how to enable two-factor authentication. You will know that your firm administrator has enabled two-factor authentication because when you log in, you will see this pop-up box. If you have any questions about the process, please click on the fact page before proceeding, where you will find a detailed description. But when you're ready, please click on the green Enable button, and a QR code will appear. Using your cellular telephone in either the Google Authenticator app or the Authy app, please scan this QR code. If you're using a smaller display and you're unable to see the full QR code, please use Control- until the full QR code is displayed and the app is able to scan the code. If you are using a desktop version of either Authy or Google Authenticator, please click the Setup Manual right here, where the code will be displayed and you can copy that into your desktop version. Once you have scanned the code or copied the code and have done the setup process in either Authy or Google Authenticator, please click the Close button right here, and then two-factor authentication has been enabled for your login. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Please click to subscribe to our channel so you will be notified of any new videos. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments section down below, and we will do our best to answer them as quickly as possible. Thank you. I'm DMac from VerifyiQ.